Good morning students. Today we are discussing the topic is 9th chapter measurements. The topic is subtract the following. Let's see the question. That is 28 is 440 grams from 38 is 770 grams. Let's see the two numbers. Which is the big number? 28 kgs or 38 kgs? 38 kgs are the big units, right? First take this number. 38 is 770 grams. Okay, let's take this number. It's already completed first one. The second number is 28 is 440 grams. 28 is 440 grams. Let's do the subtraction. Must remember kgs, kgs and grams, grams. Okay, kgs into kgs, grams into grams. First write on the grams and see, this is subtraction. This is subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. Let's see, 7 minus 4 is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3. Let's see. 7 minus 4 again. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is again 3. So how many grams here? 330 grams. And next, kgs. Okay. Let's subtract kgs minus kgs. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 10 kgs, 330 grams. So 28 kgs 440 grams from 38 kgs 770 grams is equals to 10 kgs 330 grams. Understood children? Okay, I will tell one more example. Let's see here 37 kgs 380 grams from 67 kgs 486 grams. See here which is big, 37 or 67? 67 is big. So take 67 kgs 480 grams. Okay, let's take this number down. 37 kgs 380 grams. Let's do the subtraction. Subtract grams into grams. Kgs from kgs. Grams is common. Let's see. 0. 8 minus 8 is also 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. Kgs are common. Let's see. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is very easy now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 3 1. Kgs are common. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the answer is 30 kgs 100 grams. 30 kgs 100 grams. Okay. So 37 kgs 380 grams from 67 kgs 486 grams equals to 30 kgs 100 grams. So this is the answer. We see kg means kilogram, gram means gram. Okay, now note down. Let's see word problems. The first one is a bag of books weighs 6 kgs. If the bag itself weighs 650 grams, find the weight of books. This weight is not a weight, weighs. Okay, now don't write T here. This is the third form of verb 3 form of weight. Okay, now this is weighs. A bag of books weighs 6 kgs. The weight of bag is 6 kgs. A bag of books weighs equal to 6 kgs. How many kgs? 6 kgs. If the bag itself weighs 850 grams. 850 grams. Here you must observe here he given bag plus books equals to 6 kgs. Okay, bag plus books equal to 6 kgs. See here, if the bag itself 850 grams, bag weight separately, the bag weight is 850 grams. The bag weight is equal to 850 grams. Okay, find the weight of books. The books weight equal to the books weight equals to how much? Do you know? We don't know. Let's see 6 kgs minus 850 grams. Here, this is about books plus bag plus books. This is bag plus books. Okay, now here 2 are mixed in this kgs. Okay, so if you subtract this number to bag, you will get the books amount. If you subtract this number to this amount, this kgs to this grams, you will get the books kgs, books weight. Okay, subtract this weight and this weight. Okay, total weighted book bag weight. Let's see, 6 kgs minus 850 grams. Here we don't have a grams. 6k000 grams, and here we have 850 grams. No kgs, 0 kgs. Here no kgs, that's why I put 0 there. Observe here, take 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay, 6 kgs minus 1 kg equal to 505 kgs, because I am taking here 5 kgs, 1000 grams. Okay, 5 kgs, 1000 grams. I am taking separately 6 kgs minus 1 kg. So see, 5 kgs. Okay, I am taking 1000 grams separately. Now you subtract grams. 0 minus 5 is possible. Take bar from here to here. This is 0. And take bar from here to here. This is 10. And this is 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. Grams. Kilograms are common. Here we don't have a kilogram. So 5 kgs. So what is the answer? 5 kgs, 150 grams. The book's weight is how much? 5 kgs, 150 grams. I am telling once again. First, separate these kgs. Okay, separate this 6 kgs minus 1, because we want 1 kg separately. We want 1 kg separately. If you have separate 1 kg, we have only 5 kgs. Write down the 1000 grams separately. Okay, 1000 grams. So we are taken from here to here 1 bar. Okay, we are taken bar again from here to here, that is 10. Okay, let's see. Note down all of this sum. See, the weight of books is equal to 5 kg 150 grams. The weight of books equal to 5 kg 150 grams. This is the answer of this question. All of you must note down this question and practice it more times. Okay. See the another problem. Word problem. Newbur bought 6 kg 240 grams of wheat. Nupur bought 6 kg 240 grams of wheat. 7 kg 360 grams of peas. Peas means batanis. Okay. Wheat, peas, and 2 kg 280 grams of rice from a grocery shop. he bought from grocery shop. Find out the total weight of all these items purchased. See, you could bought 6 kg to 50 gram of wheat. How many? The weight of wheat is equal to 6 kg to 40 grams. The weight of wheat equal to 6 kg to 40 grams. Next, 7 kg 360 grams of tea. And first write down the tea weight. The weight of tea equal to how much? 7 kg 360 grams. Next, and 2 kg 280 grams of rice. The weight of rice equal to how much? 2 kg 280 grams. 2 kg 280 grams. Next, see. Find out the total weight. How much the total weight? He is asking. Find out the total weight of all these items purchased. So, the total weight. The total weight equal to, let's do it. Grams is common, 0. Like 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 880 grams. What are these? Kgs. Let's see. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 6 is 12 and 1 is there. 13. Plus 2 is how much? 15. 7 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay? 15 is 880 grams. The total weight is equals to 15 is 880 grams. Understood, children? The 15 is 880 grams weight, 50 grams total weight. Total weight of all these items purchased. Understood, children? This is the answer. Okay, once all of you note down this question and see in your textbook we have some sums. Everyone must practice today's class and solve your textbook problems also. Thank you, students.